On a louder round of applause. Please welcome, well, yes, the man, Champion Charlie, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. On stage next, please welcome not one but two Sabka Bandhu, the notorious Nandu, Abhishek Bachchan. Yay! Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the man who is actually kind of deaf in one ear, but in the game has the superpower of listening with both ears. Juggernaut Jag, the one and only Mr. Sonu Sood. This man's superpowers. He can wish and have it right into his bag. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who can dish anything out of his bag, terrific Tammy Boman Irani. Hey, louder round of applause, guys. Seriously. And last but certainly not the least, from the crew of Happy New Year, please welcome the youngest, but yes, the rowdy one. Yes, we call him Rowdy Rohan Vivan. Welcome, Vivan. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the person behind Hungama Digital, the managing director, Mr. Neeraj Roy. Welcome, everyone. Farham, I'm going to go straight away with you with my first question. All right, you saw all the characters there, right? So I don't know if you've been asked this before, but if you had to play a character from Happy New Year on this very game, which character would you want to play?
Well, it's very difficult to choose one character because I love them all. I've been living with them for the last 2 years. But fortunately, in the game, you can switch characters and you can become whoever you want. So I can play all of them. And I'll especially have fun playing Mohini. I always wanted a body like that.
So are you downloading Happy New Year, the game? Already downloaded.
I have, and I have to pay for it also. Thank you.
All right, okay. I'm so sorry about that. What is this?
That
Neeraj,
she's
sir?
lying, huh? Because it's for free. Yeah, but she will, as she tries to get her power-ups, etc., that's what she's talking about. Yeah.
All right, we're not going to leave Rohan out. Yeah, Rowdy Rohan. Vivan, tell me who is the best gamer out of all of you here?
That's a tough one.
Come on, seriously,
very,
you're the
very
new
tough
gen.
one.
You should be like, I am the best one.
But if the benefit of
Vivan,
age
are
were to
you
be
a
given-
good gamer?
Yeah. Super.
You're saying, yeah, exactly
But
how
Mr.
I
Khan
asked you,
says-
are you a good dancer? And you said, yeah.
One second, Vivan, what are you doing? Stand up.
Oh, there's going to be ragging right here.
Answer now. Come on.
I think, honestly, if you give the benefit of age, Baman sir would be the best gamer.
What do you mean age?
Oh, age.
No,
I mean benefit of age.
the benefit of age as in that, see, gaming is something that's, you're usually, the younger you are, the better you are at it. But since you have the disadvantage of age, I'd say you're the best gamer.
Shut up and sit down over there.
Well, really, I thought he was going to get ragged, and then he just walked around.
No,
Wow.
that's his thing. He
That's his thing.
paces.
We don't use that word also.
Ah, all right.
No, but
okay.
I seriously, I'm telling you, as far as
Tease him.
FIFA is concerned, I don't think there's anybody in Baman sir's age group who plays as well as he.
Stop saying that age
group.
I don't think there's anybody
like
in
the
Baman
catch.
sir's age
Baman
group who
sir's
plays.
age group.
Full stop.
1 minute.
Your
I don't
royal
think there's
sexiness, what
anyone
just
left-
happened?
I don't think there's anyone left in Baman sir's age group, period.
I think it's now time for us to open the floor for questions from the media and press. Thank you very much for joining us from all over the country today for this fabulous event. The floor is open to your questions. Please ask any question that you may have pertaining the game.
Firstly, how are you doing since you were not well? How are you right now?
I'm a little better, but I have a sinus, so I'm
Okay,
just hoping my nose doesn't start.
Yeah, congratulations
yeah, thank
because
you.
your movie has made the fastest 100 crore in the box office. So what's your take on that? Like it's really been great. So what have you to say for that?
You know, I'm not going to be modest, but I've always maintained the numbers are always going to change as big films keep coming on holidays and periods and weekends. When I was asked the same thing in Chennai, I said the next one will be bigger and better, not just of mine, of every other actor. Because the screens are increasing, the platforms are increasing, there are tie-ups like we have with Hungama.com, which make your film reach further on that Friday or Saturday or Sunday. So weekend numbers are going to change. I think the longevity of the film is still going to be dependent on how nice the film is. So what makes me happy is the response for the film, that people are liking it. That's what is actually heartening more than the numbers. The numbers are nice, it's good for business, for Red Chillies, for everyone involved with it. It's a beginning. But I think what makes me happiest right now is the fact that even though I'm unwell and not getting too many reactions, but I call friends and family and people are sending messages that we've really enjoyed the film. And I am used to getting messages on release of film. This one has been perhaps the most positive. And I'm liking the fact that families are liking it, Farah and me, and most of us have children here. And we're very happy that you can watch a family film. That's what it was motivated to be, and I think that's what it's turning out to be.
Okay, the first day, the opening of your movie was supposed to be 40 plus crore. So, do you think that this will be a challenge for Amir's PK by any chance?
I don't know how to answer that. I don't think any number is going to be a challenge for anyone. I think everybody is going to do better with a better film, better opening, better days. Like I said, the screens are increasing. To me personally, for Farah and me, it's really nice. We both believe now life begins after 40. That's what I like about it. Yeah.
Shah Rukh Abram is looking adorable in the movie. So I would just like to ask कि आपको सबसे best compliment कौन सा मिला है Abram के लिए?
Deepika said she wants to work with him in the next film. So I think that's the nicest compliment. She felt he's taller than me, so.
खुशी का मौका है, इट्स 100 करोड़ प्लस फिल्म, तो लाइक आप सब खुश हैं बिकॉज इस वक्त सबके चेहरे पे अजीब सा यस बिकॉज फरा यू बी केयरफुल ओके
हम ह्यूमिलिटी और अच्छाई दिखा रहे हैं कि ये तो होता ही रहता है हर रोज. We are so used to this kind of.
Shah Rukh told us be humble, be modest, so we were sitting.
ओके मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले अभिषेक से है बिकॉज अभिषेक आपके रोल के लिए बहुत लोगों ने तारीफ की है, इंडस्ट्री ने और आपके फैंस ने भी बहुत प्रेज किया है आपको. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस चीज़ को लेकर? वुड यू लाइक टू डू इन फ्यूचर इस तरह के रोल्स को आप एक्सपेरिमेंट आगे भी करना चाहेंगे और यू लाइक
यही रोल करते हैं.
हाँ, मैं नंदू भेड़े का रोल ही हर पिक्चर में अभी करूँगा. आई फील नो थैंक यू सलमा. इससे पहले कि हम इस मंच पे आए, शाहरुख ने हमें पीछे बोला था कि बड़ी विनम्रता से पेश आइएगा आप सब, ख़ास करके फारा को, जैसे आपने देखा ये तो उछल रही थी. तो हम इस कोशिश में हैं कि बहुत ही विनम्र हो के आपके सामने हम लोग बैठें, लेकिन सब लोग बहुत ही खुश हैं. देखिए ऐसे मौका हम सबको शायद इन्हें हर पिक्चर में मिलता है, हम सबको हर पिक्चर में नहीं मिलता है. हम बहुत खुश हैं कि ये
क्या बात करो तुम यार. Actually, if you go to really see on this munch, the biggest numbers, the biggest superstar is Abhishek. Bol Bachchan, Dhoom 3, and now Happy New Year. So please don't. And उसमें ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर कोई franchise हो.
They only keep saying that's not my film.
और मैं इसके लिए थोड़ा सा आंसर करना चाहूँगा कि ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा क्योंकि मैंने इनके साथ काम किया, पहले भी किया है. He is younger to me and I've always loved him as a person. बट ही इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली बहुत ही फाइन एक्टर है. और मेरा हमेशा ये मानना है कि जो लोग कॉमेडी में अच्छे होते हैं वो ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छे एक्टर होते हैं. कॉमेडी हर से की नहीं जाती. थोड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट है या फॉर्चुनेट है, हमेशा इनकी जो कॉमेडी फिल्म है उसके लिए एकदम फोर फ्रंट में आके दिखते हैं, जैसे नंदू भीड़े का जो कैरेक्टर है, जैसे बोल बच्चन में कैरेक्टर है. लेकिन आई रियली रियली बिलीव इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स. मैंने उस दिन भी दिल्ली में इनको बोला बहुत स्वीटली कि ही शुड रियली एक्सपेरिमेंट. ही इज़ वन ऑफ द फ्यू एक्टर्स हु कैन डू वेरी वेरी रोल्स and be liked and loved in all of them. So inshallah you should. And of course Happy New Year का franchise कर लेना, वो करते रहना, उसमें नंदू भिड़े ही रहना.
Happy New Year को franchise ही बनाना है.
हाँ, उसको franchise.
और हम बस इस सोच में हैं कि अगले पार्ट को ईद मुबारक या हैप्पी दिवाली बुलाएं. और अगर हैप्पी दिवाली होगा तो उसे न्यू ईयर पे रिलीज करेंगे. So we're thinking of that. But I'd love to, Salma, I think it's a fantastic opportunity.
तेरा क्या रिश्ता है सलमा तू बार-बार कर रहा है.
उनका नाम है
Salma's right there.
सलमा from Zoom.
प्लीज अपना जलवा दिखा दो सलमा.
सलमा जरा खड़ी हो जाओ एक बार.
हाँ प्लीज सलमा.
So it's a great opportunity. It's जैसे कि
सलमा.
Yeah. जैसे कि आप लोग ने अभी कहा, the opening day was historic. We have had a record-breaking weekend. It's music to any actor's ears. We've all worked very hard, and I'm sure every actor on this stage will agree that the first credit has to go to these two people over here because without them this film would not have been possible.
And let's show him humility.
ओके
Yeah.
एक दूसरा सवाल है
And
मेरा।
खत्म जवाब खत्म नहीं हुआ मेरा. हाँ.
जी बोलिए सर।
And we'd like to thank you all for all the support. And we're very, very happy. We might not show it right now because we don't want to get carried away with it. But we're immensely happy. Would I like to do comedy in the future? I'd love to. We're all, हम जितने भी थे backstage, we're trying to arm twist Farabia into making a part 2 of Happy New Year. Let's make this into a franchise also.